thank you for waking us up to this beautiful morning. We also thank you, Lord, for this church, for allowing us to come here and having our workout here.
Good morning, good morning. Twist, twist, twist. Yep.
Everyone's going to attend 2 sessions. You've received, as you signed in, you received 2 wristbands. One is green, one is red. The word for this morning is gratitude. Okay, that's it. Don't need to explain. You know what gratitude is. So as you're moving along through your workouts, as you're rubbing shoulders with one another, how are you going to do that? Maybe express that in a way that's encouraging to one another.
Arms out. Stretch. Breathe. You can move. Breathe. Whatever. Slide right, take it up. 1, 2, 3, knee. 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 Slide left. 1, 2, 3, knee. 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 Okay? Come on. You guys forgot it? Turn, knee, turn, knee.
Our next name for this 3rd raffle is to Sierra. All right, please see Linda for your prize. Thank you. All right, let's head on over to your switching sessions. We'll go ahead and begin in 4 minutes. Stay hydrated. Use the restroom. There's snacks here. You know yourself. You know your own body. Listen to it. Push yourself. And encourage one another. Great job, great job, great job.
Spice, I have this rosemary. Yeah. I didn't want flour, nothing was going on. So what you do is composting. Heat has a big thing to do with it. You have to keep it moist. All those combinations break it out and just turns out to be composting cell, which you put the new stuff in here, so you're constantly getting back and forth. So this is just one big one.
Yeah.
And
there you go.
You have to keep it moist. Yeah. And it tells you if it smells this way, put more paper. Put more. If it smells that way, put more green.
Oh wow.